This is the 4-cup mini electric food processor, a compact kitchen tool that's really convenient for everyday meal prep. What I really like is the 4-cup size because it's perfect for smaller portions without taking up too much counter space. It works great for chopping vegetables, nuts, herbs, or preparing ingredients for quick meals, sauces, and side dishes. A really useful feature is that it comes with 2 bowls, which makes it easy to separate ingredients like vegetables in one and meat in the other, or simply have an extra bowl ready while cooking multiple recipes. The 2-speed control gives you flexibility depending on what you're preparing. You can use one speed for softer ingredients and the other for tougher foods like nuts or meat. The 4-blade design also helps create quick, even chopping for dicing, mixing, and making smooth purees. I also like how practical the compact design is for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, or anyone who wants a smaller appliance for fast prep instead of pulling out a large full-size processor. If you want a small but versatile food chopper for vegetables, meat, nuts, and quick purees, this is a really handy kitchen essential.